Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing into Istock as the account owner. This matters because only owners can cancel. Once signed in, open account or subscription settings to confirm the plan name, renewal date, and payment method. You'll need those to verify identity. If you have the last invoice or subscription ID, keep it visible for reference. Make sure you're not using a company single sign-on that redirects you. If so, switch to direct Istock credentials so you can access cancellation controls immediately. Once you're on the subscription or plans page, click Manage Plan or Change Plan to reveal cancellation options. Choose Cancel Subscription and read the prompts carefully because Istock often explains remaining access until the billing period ends. Pick the appropriate reason so the flow continues. You may be offered alternatives like pausing or downgrading. Use them only if you want to retain access. After choosing Cancel, verify the confirmation screen shows your final access date and any retained credits or downloads. Finish by checking your email for a confirmation message. This is your proof of cancellation and should state the effective date and reference number. Make sure the account shows the plan as canceled or set to expire. If you don't see confirmation, try clearing browser cache or use an incognito window and repeat the cancel flow. Sometimes saved sessions block changes. If problems persist, contact Istock support with your invoice or subscription ID and the confirmation attempt details so they can
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.